Debbie Crittenden, and I'm from Escondido First Church. I want to share with you how we're ministering in our community through children. This past year, we partnered with the local elementary school by having a weekly after-school homework help program. Most of the children from this school come from non-English speaking homes, so this is a very big need for them. We walk 40 children to our church each week and help them with their homework at each grade level. Our goal is not only to equip the children for success in their academic life, but to open our church as a place of hope and help. As a result of this ministry, many families have joined our weekly Bible studies and Sunday services. If you would like any information about how you can start a program like this at your church, please let me know.
12! A 1 and a 2, write it down.